Hi there, I'm going to be explaining the glossary that we are going to be using for the next song. So if you see any of these things written near the lyrics, this is telling you what I want you to do. The number one point, if you see a number written next to any line, that is explaining and telling you what volume I suggest you sing. Now, I use volumes from 1 to 4, 1 being the quietest, 4 being the loudest. I also use quarter, half, and 3/4 volumes as well too, up to 4. If you see a slash, that means I want you to breathe or have a pause, but particularly have a breath. If you see an arrow above a particular word, that means I want you to sing that particular word higher, or I want you to sing the melody louder, or both. If you see red brackets, and if you see any lyrics between the red brackets, that means I want you to sing all of those lyrics in false voice, so in falsetto. If you see anything brightly highlighted, it could be a line, it could be a single word, it could be a whole verse or chorus, that means I want you to use the crying technique on that particular word or part. A crying technique is a higher singing technique that we will be using and explaining in the song. If you see a smile next to a word, that means I want you to smile more on that particular word when you're singing it. For instance, like, I don't want you to go like, it's going to sound different. So please smile when you see a smile next to a word. If you see repeat written next to any verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, whatever it may be, that means I want you to repeat the skills that we have already gone over and learnt. Now, I want to make this video as short and precise as I can, so if you see repeat, that means we've already done it, and just take those skills and repeat it through that particular part. Now, song structure, so that you know where we are. If you see V next to a line, that's meaning that it is the start of the verse. If you are seeing PC written next to a line, that is meaning that we are starting the pre-chorus. If you are seeing C written next to a line, that means we are at the start of the chorus. If you are seeing B written next to a line, that means we are starting the bridge of the song. Now, a bridge is generally something different in the song, generally 8 bars. And if you are seeing CO written next to a line, that means coda. That means we are at the end of the song, or we're about to finish.